Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. This is a LED panel from Subaru Legacy 2007. It's the same issue on 2008s and 9s. Basically, the problem is that your airbag symbol comes on the dashboard, and supposedly the airbag doesn't work. The problem comes from this little thing, because there is a feedback circuit that checks whether those LEDs actually consume any current. If they don't, the ECM knows that it cannot communicate with the user using LEDs, so that is reported as fault. The issue with it, the easiest way to confirm is to do this. Connect your positive to this lead over here, and then check each LED. This one's not working, this one, and this one. Okay, only one is working. Now, what is the issue with it? It's actually pretty simple. If you take a look under the scope, focus and zoom in. So this one looks good. This one is cracked. See that? See that big crack? It's not making connection with the board. And the same goes to the other ones probably. No, this one I don't see the crack. Let's see here. Yeah, there's a crack here. No crack here, but there's a crack on the other side. And there's a crack over here. There. Yep. So this is our issue, which is very simple to fix, but you can do it the same with the ECMs. You can do it well, or you can just do it so it works for like a week or so. So we're gonna remove the old solder and replace it with a new what do you call it, the leaded solder. Let's just see if we can fix it in my easel or board holder. It's not exactly made for this. Let's see. Alright. So let's get fixed. And for this job, I need to replace the tip with a big chisel tip, also referred to as knife tip, and there was one more name for it. Alright, let's see how we did before we clean it, because there's also three more resistors on the back side. So let's see if we get all 4 diodes are lighting up. Okay, so that was our issue. Let's just check those in the back, but if there was something wrong with them, that would not work. Okay. This one? I can see this one. But the board is good. Now let's clean it up. So the flax I'm using is an RMA flax, which needs to be cleaned because it's slightly corrosive. What I use to clean it is alcohol. And I use this little brush. And quick inspection. And we're done. So this resolves the issue with an airbag symbol on the Subaru. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.